YouTube, it's your life attack back with another video. As you see from the title, today I'll be doing a wig install, but I will be trying to do a brown hair instead of a black. So first thing I did, I went ahead and used True Edge to secure my edges, and this is me pushing it back so I could protect my edges. Then after it would dry, I went ahead and put on my wig cap. After I put on my wig cap, this is me cutting both sides of the ears. Okay, usually I use the spray to lay down the wig cap, but I decided to try something new and use the ghost bond to secure the hair cap. This is my first time trying it, and yeah, okay. You want to make sure with this process, you want to make sure you spread it and make sure it turns clear before you attempt to install the wig on your head. Then I went ahead with the blow dryer so it could dry faster. After I finished blow drying, this is me cutting my wig cap. After I finished cutting, this is me applying the makeup on my wig cap. Okay, so after I finished putting on the makeup, then I went ahead with the ghost bond. I applied this process 3 times because I really want to let my hair last for at least a week or 2. Okay, so this is how your hair should look. It should be clear like this when you putting your wig cap on, okay? After finish applying the ghost bond, this is me putting the wig on my head. Then I went ahead to apply more paste to the area that not fully glued down so it could be secure, and I did it for my right side and I'm gonna do it for the other side. After finishing the other side, this is me applying makeup on my cap so the lace so it could look like my hairline, and then I applying this sprit so it could dry. Okay, I think I'm doing pretty good. It's looking good. It's given. Then I went ahead to place the band on my hair so I could tie it down. Okay, so this is me brushing out the hair. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna straighten it, so I went ahead with the glue stick and then get with the flat iron so it could be flat. Okay, this is me sectioning out the hair so I could start pressing it out. After finishing that side, this is me doing it. Same thing for the other side. Then I went ahead with the rubber alcohol to clear up any glue or anything on my lace. After that, this is me sectioning out the hair to do my edges. This is probably like the hard part when it comes doing that wicked style. It's like doing the edges. It's like it would take me like about a good hour or two just to get the perfect one. And then this is me cutting the hair. Then I went ahead to use the mousse to give that edges that little curly look. Not gonna lie, I think I ate that side. I think it looked cute. Like, then I went ahead with a blow dryer so it could stay down. It's just me doing the same process to the other side.
Hey y'all, this is how it looks. This is how it come out.
I try my best, y'all. So yeah.